Hello and welcome to this Promathematica for Competitive Exams channel. My name is Gracie and I've been teaching mathematics and Java since the early 2010s. We're going to start the discussion about competitive exams a little differently than you may be expecting. This module elaborates the problems and solutions for aptitude test and its comprehensive demonstration through Java programming. Why would I want to use Java? Well, here's a peek ahead at the answer. Because we'll be able to develop easily. A competitive examination is an examination where candidates are ranked according to their grades and/or percentile, and then top rankers are selected. Competitive examinations are considered an egalitarian way to select worthy applicants without risking influence peddling, bias, or other concerns. Early exposure to learning and competition builds confidence and sharpens skills, which raise your level from other students on the same platform. Competitive exams also help out in choosing a career as students start identifying their areas of interest while getting a deeper knowledge of subjects. Top business schools based in North America, Europe, Asia, and Australia conduct this exam. Several leading corporations also conduct such tests for assessing potential candidates' quantitative reasoning skills. Today, I am going to cover a very important topic. It is pipes and cisterns. I am going to represent several problems and solutions based around this topic. I will be writing code for the solutions using Java. So, let's get started without further delay. A pipe can fill a tank in 6 hours and another pipe can empty the tank in 12 hours. How many hours the tank can be filled in if both the pipes are opened at the same time? Here is an answer with explanation. Part of the tank filled in 1 hour equals 1 by 6. Part of the tank emptied in 1 hour equals 1 by 12. Net part of the tank filled in 1 hour equals 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12. Part of the tank can be filled in 1 hour. Therefore, the tank will be filled completely in 12 hours. Three pipes A, B and C can fill a cistern in 8 minutes, 12 minutes, and 16 minutes respectively. What is the time taken by 3 pipes to fill the cistern when they are opened together? Here is an answer with explanation. Part of the tank filled by A in 1 minute equals 1 by 8. Part of the tank filled by B in 1 minute equals 1 by 12. Part of the tank filled by C in 1 minute equals 1 by 16. Net part of the tank filled by A, B and C in 1 minute equals sum of the part of the tank filled by them. Part of the cistern is filled in 1 minute would be 13 by 48. Therefore, the whole tank will be filled in 3.7 minutes. 2 pipes can fill a tank in 6 hours and 8 hours respectively. A third pipe can empty the same tank in 12 hours. If all the pipes start working together, how long it will take to fill the tank? Here is an answer with explanation. Part of the tank filled by 2 pipes in 1 hour equals 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. Part of the tank emptied by the third pipe in 1 hour equals 1 by 12. Therefore, net part of the tank filled in 1 hour equals 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12. 5 by 24 part of tank can be filled in 1 hour. Therefore, the whole tank will be filled in 4.8 hours. Java is a high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language that is designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. Programmers write once, run anywhere, meaning that compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without the need for recompilation. The JDK is a development environment for building applications using the Java programming language. The JDK 12.0.2 Windows x64 bin exe includes tools useful for developing and testing programs written in the Java and running on the Java platform. In addition, the Spring Tool Suite, STS, provides the best Eclipse-powered development environment for building Spring-powered enterprise applications. STS supplies tools for all of the latest enterprise Java and Spring, and comes on top of the latest Eclipse releases. STS supports application targeting to local, virtual, and cloud-based servers. It is freely available for development, and internal business operations use with no time limits. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the tank filled duration in hours for earlier solved problem 1. Define the part filled in 1 hour and part emptied in 1 hour member variables and initialize them. Next, net part filled in 1 hour is calculated as the difference between part filled in 1 hour and part emptied in 1 hour. Next, the tank filled in duration is calculated as 1 by net part filled in 1 hour. The last step is to return tank filled in duration. Here I am printing the tank filled in duration by calling Pipes Cisterns method. Execute the code by right-clicking on the Java class. Here is the result on console. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the tank filled duration in hours for earlier solved problem 2. Define the part filled by A in 1 min, part filled by B in 1 min, and part filled by C in 1 min member variables and initialize them. Next, part filled by A, B, C in 1 min is calculated as the sum of all parts filled by A, E, and C together. Next, the tank filled in duration is calculated as 1 by part filled by A, B, C in 1 min. The last step is to return tank filled in duration. Here I am printing the tank filled in duration by calling Pipes Cisterns method. Execute the code by right-clicking on the Java class. Here is the result on console. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the tank filled duration in hours for earlier solved problem 3. Define the tank filled by wapai pisinonehur and tank filled by third pi painoni who remember variables and initialize them. Next, net part filled in 1 hour is calculated as the difference between tank filled by wapai pisinonehur and tank filled by third pi painonihur. Next, the tank filled in duration is calculated as 1 by net part filled in 1 hour. The last step is to return tank filled in duration. Here I am printing the tank filled in duration by calling Pipes Cisterns method. Execute the code by right-clicking on the Java class. Here is the result on console. Hope you liked this video. In order to see new videos, don't forget to subscribe to Promathematica channel.